हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम है नीलांकर देव। आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल लेट्स रोल द इंट्रो। हेलो गाइस, सो आई एम बैक। आई नो that I can't make a lot of videos. मैं उतना ज़्यादा वीडियो नहीं बना पा रहा हूँ, but this month I had a reason is that मेरा फ़ोन ख़राब हो गया था. So I didn't have a phone for last 1 month and my phone just came 2 days back. So yeah, now I have my phone, so I am making this video. So something has changed in the meantime. So the change that happened is I changed my room, so I am in a new place now. Today I'll show you the room in which I have shifted, and I'll tell you the rent and everything and how did I find it, and also I'll tell you like how you can find this room in cheap rooms, or if you want expensive rooms. I know I have made a video before, but I'll also remind you of everything in this video as well. So now I'll show you my room. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is my room. It's a very small room, and it just starts and ends. So this is where I keep my setup, and then here's the bed. It's a single bed. And first of all, I would say that don't go on how it is organized. It is really very unorganized, so please don't judge me. So yeah, here I have, don't go on that, no. Okay, and here is a small table where I have my things, and here is the cupboard, and here I am putting all the clothes to dry, and done. This is just the room. I'll just show you from outside here, like this. Yeah, so this is the room, and I'll show you the view from outside. So this is the view, and the good thing is I'm really close to the river. So if you see this building, behind that building is the river Thames. So it gets quite windy most of the time. Yeah, so next I'll show you the kitchen. Let's go. So guys, this is the kitchen. Here is the wash basin. Here's some place to store stuff. Here's the washing machine, and everything is here. And this is my cupboard here where I put my stuff. Yeah, and this is the gas, and this is the cupboard of everyone else. This is the oven, and here we cook. Here we have the dining table, and this is the fridge, if you can see. Yeah, and from here I'll show you the full kitchen here. No, sorry, I will show you the bathroom. Yeah, so this is the full kitchen. Okay guys, so this is the bathroom. This is a heater here, and this is the basin and the bathtub. See, this is the bathtub here. Shower with the shower. Here is one shower. There are 2 showers here. And yeah, as you know, British people, they have put the bathroom and the toilet in 2 different places. And see, this is me. Okay, I'll show you the toilet here. This is the toilet here. Yeah, so here you can see I stay in the bottom floor, and this is how I have to come up all the time to go to the bathroom. You can see this. So guys, this is the balcony here, and this is the view from my balcony. This is the church, and you see there is a big building where rich people stay. I hope someday I could also take a room in this kind of building. But yeah, I also see here is this apartment, and yeah, this is the corridor here, and this is the entrance, as you see, and straight the door you see, that is my room. So this is how I come in and just move to my room, and here is my room. So guys, I showed you my full room. This is the new room where I have shifted. So previously, as I said, as I showed you in my videos, that I was in a single room. Sorry, I was in a double room, which was shared with two people. So I was fed up with my new roommate there. So I changed, and I took a single room. It's quite a bit high than my previous room, but it's fine now. As I have a job, I can manage it. So the previous room was, as I said, 360, but this room is 433 a month. So yeah, as I have a job now, I get paid. I'll make a separate video on how much I earn, how much I spend, and everything. But yeah, now and the amount I get, that is sufficient to pay the rent here. So how did I get this room? So I got this room from Spare Room. That is an app where you can get many options of a room, shared, single, and everything. I was just looking for some rooms, and this was good. This was cheap, and like getting a single room this cheap in London is quite impossible. Not impossible, is not easy. So but I got it, so I'm happy that I got it. And this place is Wapping. I just stay near the Wapping Overground station. So if someone is in London, wants to meet me, wants to connect with me, not as a subscriber, like, yeah, you can meet me as a subscriber, but we can connect as friends and everything. We can become friends. I'm always open to connecting with new people. So if you want, you can contact me in my social media, and we can meet. And if you want to come here, you can come to Wapping Underground Station and then text me, or in my social media. I'm always available. Not in the time when I'm doing my work. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can find room. And if you want expensive rooms, as you know, you have student.com, a lot of websites you have. In this Spare Room websites also you can get expensive rooms. So mainly I suggest, if you want expensive room, go for student.com. It's much better. Also guys, I forgot to share one interesting fact, or like an interesting thing that happened with me. So after I came here, as you know, when you are new to somewhere, you don't know the place. That's common. So the people here who stay, like there are two boys and one girl who stay here. So they told me there's a market called in Shadwell, is just by the corner. So I went there, and literally the market was Bengali market, and most of the people here is Bengali, but they are not Indian Bengalis, they are Bangladeshi Bengalis, but the food and the culture is kind of same. So I can get every Bengali food that exists, like from fish to sweets to vegetables that I couldn't get when I was in my previous room, because I didn't know where the Bengali area is. I, as a Bengali, I got mishti doi, rasagolla, and jalebi. I got everything. So I am enjoying this place. So if there are any Bengalis who are watching my video, make sure to check out this Shadwell because it's full of Bengali shops and full of Bengali. You can even talk in Bengali here. There's a shop here just outside my house that has a Bengali owner. So yeah, my time is gonna go well here. Okay, so this was my video on my new room. So yeah, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and press that subscribe button. If you are new to this channel, also press the bell icon to get the notification of my video as soon as I post it. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's neil.maddy11. It is given on the description. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.